obviously where we get here early and you can't get any muck till like 8 o'clock. I've got 5 of these gorilla buckets and they basically hold 2 buckets of muck, and we have 5 boards, so we get 2 buckets of muck on each board, and then literally by the time we get it on there, and we'll fill a tub up waiting, and usually by the time the forky starts and gets us going, we'll just about run out of muck and have jointed up. So you can get like an extra 100 bricks down a day just doing that, which, you know, it's only if you're on a bottom wall or a bottom lift. You can't really do it. You don't really want to be dragging these up a ladder, but they are heavy, but they're easy enough to carry about. So the silo cut out, didn't it? I thought, oh great, it needs cleaning out. So I've stripped it, cleaned it, put it back together. There's just no power going through the box. I've got no spare box. And this is what I mean by sometimes you're governed by things that aren't in your hands, like forklifts not turning up or fucking silos not working. So it's now 8 o'clock. I actually got a bucket of muck out before it cut out. So I'm gonna fuck about with this fucking, with this here. I'm gonna get my disc cutter out and cut some nice cuts and fill this fucker in. See what we can do with it. I need to take them out and clean that up. We'll give the wall a nice little clean. We're gonna have a good tidy up. Probably got got an hour's work or something. Hopefully in an hour we go back and the box starts working. We'll see. So we've got to wait for a fit to come out for the silo, but literally we got this bucket of muck out this morning before it decided to stop working.
Charlie broke it. Too eager.
But anyway, so I've cut, what I've done is I've cut these. I got taught a little trick by my old boss, my first boss, Martin, a trick called doctoring. So what you do is you put the brick in like this. So I've cut it as close as I can. And you'll put a tiny little bit of muck in there, and then you'll get a brick later on and just scrape it over the top, just so the brick dust sort of sits in it. It's called doctoring a brick. I don't know how well it works over time. I've never gone back to work that it's been done with and seen if it stayed like it, but it does look the part when you do it. So let's give it a go. See what you lot think. Let me know. Damn it.
You went like this. Next to the house. Did you eat that chilli last night?
What?
Did you eat that chilli last night?
Eat the chilli? Yeah, did you?
It's not affecting your bum?
Nope. It's affecting yours, you stink.
I haven't had chilli last night.
Steak and eggs.
No, I'm not.
I don't need this disguise, baby. Come, let's move on. 'Cause if I show my love and dance through the night in the neon lights, love everybody. My mind is set free and I'll be me. Then I met you. You took me by the hand and showed me the world. Everywhere I was hurled, like flowers we grew and never felt blue. Like raindrops we were falling. Now I hear them calling, baby, come, let's move on. 'Cause if I show my love and dance through the night in the neon lights, love everybody. Take a chance, take it easy, let's roll the dice. Show my love and dance through the night in the neon lights, love everybody. My mind is set free and I'll be me. I'll be me. I'll be me.
No muck.
It's not looking like it's going to be here till late today or tomorrow.
Yeah, so. We ain't getting this done by Thursday, that's for sure. It's Wednesday now.
We're
So,
going home at 10:30.
yeah, this is the trouble with being on site. You just can't control some things. But anyway, this is what I've done. Let me know what you think of it.
Absolutely lovely.
You think?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit annoyed that these aren't lining up, but I mean, it'd look nicer if they'd lined up. But I mean, it still looks alright. I think it looks alright.
It does.
Considering it's just done with this car, and all I've done was used the sponge, and I dabbed the dust that was on there, and it stuck into the sponge, and just give it a little brush over. But we'll have a look at it tomorrow and see what it looks like tomorrow once it's all gone off. Probably look like shit, but we'll have a look, shall we? Right, anyway, we're off home. It's 10 o'clock. We're off skis. We go down the gym, haven't we?
I'm not.
What do you mean you're
I'm
not?
going for a nap, mate. I need to get used to work.
Yeah, right, well, I'm hitting the gym anyway. Chest day, my favourite.